Here I have GIONEE A1 and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the screen that you would like to capture. In my case, it could be the list of settings. And let's assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I need to do is use this combination, power key and volume down. Let's do it simultaneously. And you just capture the screen. Let me show you again. Let's hold down power key and volume down simultaneously. And you just capture the screen. Now you can also use other method of taking screenshots. Let's just use down bar. Here let's tap super screenshot, and you can use the normal screenshot, partial screenshot, or long screenshot. Let me use long screenshot. Here let's tap next to save the whole list of settings, and let's tap save. So this is a really cool feature. Alright, so that's it. Now if you would like to share, edit, delete, or do something with your pictures, let's choose gallery. And here you can find your screenshots when you can share, edit, delete, or do other stuff with the following pictures. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.